We are gathered together today to witness and celebrate the marriage of Jacqueline Marie Pocup and Joseph Gregory Salvi.
Jack, I always knew you were my one. You were the sunshine on my darkest days. I promise to always look for new ways to make you smile. You were always a person I turn to. I promise that when our time on this earth has come to an end, I will find you in my afterlife, because you are my heaven. I look at you and remember the blessings that have fell into my life. I'm so damn lucky to call you my wife.
My best friend. You are the most handsome guy. Each day I'm reminded how lucky I am to have you in my life. I'm the one who gets to love you every single day for the rest of my life. I will always be yours, and you, my chicken, will always be mine. I promise that when death does choose to take my hand, I will find you in every lifetime after this one. I love you, Joe, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you.
Jacqueline and Joseph, do you, with your family and friends as your witnesses, present yourselves willingly and of your own accord to be joined in marriage?
We do.
Will you promise to care for each other in the joys and sorrows of life, come what may, and to share your responsibility for growth and enrichment of your life together?
We will.
Having pledged their fidelity to one another, to love, honor, and cherish one another in the presence of this gathering, and by the authority vested in me by the Constitution and the state of Illinois, I now pronounce you husband and wife. Joseph, you may kiss your bride.
I'm proud of you both, and I'm proud to finally say, welcome to my family, my daughter. I will be there for you, always. Joey, you're my son, and I love you. I will always be there for you, no matter what. I love you both, and I want you both to cherish each other and spend the rest of your life loving each other.
There are no words that can truly capture how much you have shaped my life and my heart. You have been my biggest role model, my safe place, and my best friend. Being your sister is one of the greatest gifts I've ever had. I'm so happy you have found your forever person. Thank you all for coming out and celebrating the bride and groom. To both Jacqueline and Joey, I love you both so much and so happy for you guys.
As you start this new chapter together, may your love continue to grow stronger with each passing day. May your life be filled with laughter, adventure, and endless happiness. Jack, your dad would have been so proud of the woman you have become and who you chose to be your lifelong partner. So in his honor, please join Nicolette and I in raising a glass to Joey and Jacqueline.
has been there for me in the hardest moments of my life and the happiest. He's been there to cheer me up when sad and celebrate when needed. He had a confidence and a love in his voice when he talked about you that I had never heard. Throughout these years, that confidence and love has only continued to grow. And I've had the privilege to see your love grow into what it is today. I love you both. Let's have a great night.